Sync file permissions on Windows. I have an rsync service that syncs files from remote machine to a machine that drops them on a network drive. I need the copied files to take on the native permissions of the destination folder. The sync process runs fine, but after it is finished, I cannot access some of the folders, permission denied. I am logged in as domain admin. It won't allow me to modify any permissions on said folders, either. What gives? Run command.
From this URL. In summary, to give destination files, both old and new, the source permissions, use perms. To give new files the destination default permissions, while leaving existing files unchanged, make sure that the perms option is off and use chmod equals ugo equals rwx, which ensures that all non-masked bits get enabled. If you'd care to make this latter behavior easier to type, you could define a popped alias for it, such as putting this line in the file /.popped. The following defines the Z option, and includes no G to use the default group of the destination dir.
Cygwin's POSIX security has caused me lots of problems with Windows NTFS file permissions, even using no perms with rsync. I found that newly created files/folders don't properly inherit default permissions, but every file/folder ends up with lots of NLT, not inherited, and GT entries in the Windows file/folder adnon security tab. And this problem is not just rsync related. I found this related post and this link both very helpful in how to resolve these problems using the noequal option in cygwin/etc/stab file. The downside of this solution is that Cygwin loses the ability to set file/folder permissions, but in many cases this is not important. Googling this topic you'll probably find references to setting the Cygwin equals nonsec environment variable, but this is for Cygwin v1.5, and doesn't work in Cygwin v1.7 onwards.
On Windows with Delta Copy I could make it work with. It worked even with recursive.
In the past I have just reassigned the permissions in Windows to my current user afterwards using Techno and an elevated command prompt as Techno/f and lt, name of folder and gt/r/dy. Of course, if you use the correct rsync flags in the first place then this is unnecessary, but if you didn't want to rerun rsync for files you have already copied then I would recommend this.
If you found this work recently, please consider subscribing.